Sam Altman, GPT-5 underway and will substantially differ from GPT-4. Even as it unveils new features of GPT-4, artificial intelligence, AI, company OpenAI is already working on a much more transformative version, GPT-5, that will be launched next, CEO Sam Altman told Financial Times in a recent interview. Altman stopped short of assigning a timeline to this release. Since its blockbuster product, ChatGPT, which came out in November last year, OpenAI has released improved versions of GPT, the AI model that powered the conversational chatbot. Its most recent iteration, GPT Turbo, offers a faster and cost-effective way to use GPT-4. Tech companies across the globe have been hopeful of replicating OpenAI's success by training their own AI models. Sooner or later, the San Francisco-based company needs to unveil a different version of the AI model to set itself apart, and Altman has provided a glimpse of what it might be. What can GPT-5 do? Over the past year, OpenAI has dwelled into spaces such as Application Programming Interface, API, launched its plugin store, and has been working with Microsoft to add an AI layer into its Office products and web browser. But none of these are OpenAI's products, Altman told FT. Instead, the company is focused on building magic intelligence in the sky with more powerful AI agents that can perform more complex actions than today. For this, the company has been seeking more data to train its models and even recently called for private data sets. However, what GPT-5 will be capable of doing is something even Altman does not know. The CEO said that it was technically hard to predict this until training the model began, and until then, he couldn't list how GPT-5 would be different from its predecessor. Banking on Microsoft, other tech giants. Intriguingly, OpenAI's future depends on other tech companies like Microsoft, Google, Intel, and AMD. It is well known that OpenAI has the backing of Microsoft regarding investments and training. A more complex and highly advanced AI model will need much more funds than the $10 billion Microsoft has already put in. Altman conceded that his company was far from building artificial general intelligence and that the expenses incurred to train the models were nothing less than punishing. OpenAI has found a way to stay afloat in Microsoft and its other funders since the company was not profitable. The CEO is hopeful that the successes it has enjoyed with Microsoft will continue and bring in revenues for both companies in the future. Like other companies engaging in AI models, OpenAI depends on NVIDIA for advanced chips, and progress has been slow due to their limited supply. While the situation will likely improve into the next year, Altman believes that attempts from companies such as Google, Intel, and AMD to build their own AI chips will help OpenAI shortly. Altman did not put a timeline for the release of GPT-5, but it is definitely on the way, and like the last time, OpenAI will, once again, hope to leave its competitors lagging by miles.